দেখো unit cell and crystal lattice. What is this? Unit cell.
Yes.
Unit cell is the smallest structural unit of crystal lattice which when repeated in different directions generate the entire crystal lattice. আমরা বলেছিলাম এরকম আগে যে crystal, what was the crystal? Crystal is the infinite arrangement of atoms or molecules or ions whose property changes periodically. এবারে crystal lattice or unit cell আমরা যাকে বলবো, যে crystal যেটা তার smallest part, that's mean unit cell is the smallest structural unit of crystal lattice which when repeated in different directions generate the entire crystal lattice. or আমরা এভাবে বলতে পারি unit cell is the smallest part of the crystal which contains whole property of the crystal. Okay, অর্থাৎ smallest part যার মধ্যে পুরো ক্রিস্টালের প্রপার্টিটা থাকবে. So a regular three-dimensional arrangement of identical points in space is called crystal lattice. অর্থাৎ এইভাবে ডেফিনেশন গুলো তোমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে. ডেফিনেশন গুলো অনেক সময় আমাদের জানতে চায় এক নম্বরে করে. So a regular three-dimensional arrangement of identical points in space is called crystal lattice. This is a unit cell and this is actually a crystal and this is the unit cell of this crystal. Okay, this is the lattice point. Yellow color is lattice point here, and this is the unit cell and this is the unit cell and it's repeated. When it's repeat, that's mean unit cell in this way. There is a repeat, three-dimensional repetition. Okay, this is the three-dimensional repetition. Okay, so this is the crystal. This is the whole crystal. So it builds a crystal. And type of the unit cell, it may be primitive and centered. Okay, primitive and centered. Primitive constituent particles are present only at the corner. That's mean যে unit cell আমি এখন যেটা দেখলাম প্রত্যেকটা কর্নারে একটা করে অ্যাটম আছে, তার মানে এটা হলো primitive. This is primitive. Okay, and center বলতে এবারে যদি এই all corner এর যেমন অ্যাটম থাকবে সেই সঙ্গে যদি আর ডিফারেন্ট পার্টে অর্থাৎ ক্রিস্টালের ডিফারেন্ট পার্টে মানে ফেস অথবা তোমার বডি অর এজ বিভিন্ন জায়গায় যদি অ্যাটম থাকে তখন আমরা সেন্টার্ড ইউনিট সেল বলবো. This is the primitive because it contains atom only in the corner of the unit cell. And when constituents particles are present at position in addition to those at the corners as well as in the body or other position also, this is known as centered unit cell. This is the unit cell, that is centered unit cell. This is not primitive. Okay, this is the face, or there is two face. This is one face, there is another face. Is the S center. So primitive unit cell are different types like cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, hexagonal and rhombohedral. Okay, so cubic unit cell, it is also primitive. There is a 8 corner, so it is primitive unit cell. Tetragonal, and for cubic unit cell the edge length, all edge length, that is A, B and C, all are equal, and angle, all angle is 90 degree with A to B to C. This tetragonal, that A equal to B not equal to C, that's mean 3 edge length is not equal, 2 is equal, but the angle of the crystal is 90 degree. It is tetragonal. Orthorhombic, here all 3 edges is not equal, A not equal to B not equal to C, but angle is same, it is 90 degree. Monoclinic, A not equal to B not equal to C, and alpha equal to gamma not equal to beta. That's the angle is different. All are not 90 degree. Triclinic, its angle and edge length both are not equal. Hexagonal, A equal to B not equal to C. The C is high here, and alpha equal to beta equal to 90 degree, but gamma equal to 120 degree. This is 120, this is 120. Okay. Rhombohedral, A equal to B equal to C, and alpha equal to beta equal to gamma not equal to 90 degree. Centered, actually it may be body center, it may be face center, it may be end center. Okay. 3 types of center: primitive and its variation with center unit cell. This is a table. You also can get in your any book this table. Okay. Body center, face center. This is hexagonal, rhombohedral. Okay. So primitive body center and face center. Primitive body center, all 4, and this primitive and end center. Monoclinic is there. Triclinic only primitive. Hexagonal only primitive. Rhombohedral only primitive. Clear? This is the number. So we have total 14 Bravais lattice. The scientists who discovered this type of lattice, so 7 primitive unit cell and their possible variation as center unit cell gives rise to 14 Bravais lattice. So which is not a type of unit cell? Tetrahedral. Tetrahedral is not a type of unit cell. Following is not a type of primitive unit cell. Who is? Cubic, triclinic, hexagonal, or none of these? Can all cubic, triclinic and hexagonal all are primitive unit cell. This is dimension of for what? A not equal to B not equal to C. Sorry, A equal to B not equal to C. Hexagonal A, আমরা দেখি C equal to 9, তাই না? Clear? This is hexagonal. Monoclinic, A not equal to B not equal to C. Alpha not equal to gamma, gamma and beta not equal to 90 degree. Cubic unit cell, and we are going to calculate some properties and void and fraction. In module 13 we had discussed type of unit cell. What is this? Type of unit cell, primitive and centered. Cubic unit cell, where A equal to B, that means A's length are equal, A equal to B equal to C, and all angle is 90 degree. That is primitive. All point in the corner, and here 8 point in the corner and 1 point in the body. That is known as body center cube. Face center, there is a face in a cube, there is a 6 face. So 6 face contains 6 atom, and the end center is also there. And we have, this is actually how many atoms in the cube. Actually, from the 8 corner, 1/8 portion of atom is in the cube. Okay, and this body center, this center atom is fully in the cube, not on the other side, or it no fraction of this atom will contains by the other side or other atom, other cube. এই যে ফেস সেন্টারে দেখতে পাচ্ছ, this face center atom half will be in this phase, in this cube, and other will be in the upper cube. Okay, আমরা এরকম বলতে পারি একটা ঘরের ওয়ালে দুটো ঘরের অংশ হয়, তাই না? যদি আমরা বলি এরকম যে তোমার যে কোনো ঘরের একটা ওয়াল যদি কনসিডার করো, ওই ওয়ালটা তার পাশে আরেকটা রুম হতেই পারে, অর্থাৎ একটা ওয়াল একটা বাইরের সাইড থাকে, একটা ভিতরের সাইড থাকে, অর্থাৎ আমরা বলতেই পারি দুটো রুমের অংশ। অর্থাৎ একটা ফেসে যখন একটা অ্যাটম থাকে তখন ওই ফেসের অর্ধেকটা তোমার ওই কিউবটার মধ্যে থাকবে আর বাকি অর্ধেকটা অন্য কিউবের মধ্যে থাকবে। Simple cube, this is simple cube. From the 8 points, number of atoms per unit cell equal to part of particle at corner. এখানে আমরা যদি দেখি, দেখো এই যে কর্নারটা, এই কর্নারটার যে অ্যাটমটা আছে এদিকে আরো আছে এরকম, আমরা বলতে পারি এটাকে এক্সটেন্ড করতে পারি, তাই না? এরকম তো আমরা এক্সটেন্ড করতে পারি। এরকম যদি এক্সটেন্ড করতে পারি, এরকম ভাবে আমরা এক্সটেন্ড করে দিতে পারি। তাহলে এই যে আবার এইদিকে আমাদের অ্যাটম থাকতে পারে, অর্থাৎ প্রত্যেকটা দিকে যদি আমরা এটাকে এক্সটেন্ড করি তাহলে আমাদের কি হবে, এই অ্যাটমটা 1/8 ফ্র্যাকশন এই কিউবটার মধ্যে থাকবে, বা প্রত্যেকটা অ্যাটমের 1/8 ফ্র্যাকশন একটা কিউবের মধ্যে থাকে, তাই তো? না বুঝতে পারলে বলবে। The total number of atoms at the corner, তার মানে 1/8 ফ্র্যাকশন, একটা অ্যাটমের 1/8 ফ্র্যাকশন একটা কিউবের মধ্যে থাকে। এইভাবে যদি আমরা রিপিটেড কিউবগুলো আমরা একসঙ্গে জুড়ে দেই তাহলে মাঝের অ্যাটমটা দেখো 8 ভাগে ভাগ হয়ে যাচ্ছে। এটা দেখো আমরা যদি ফেস বলি তাহলে এটা ফেস সেন্টার হতে পারে। এই যে যদি ধরি এই ইউএলএ গুলো ফেস, তাহলে এরকম আমরা ফেস সেন্টারও বলতে পারি, এটা বডি, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে এইভাবে আমাদের ইউনিট সেলগুলো আমরা দেখতে পারি। তাহলে এই যে কেটে দেখানো হয়েছে দেখো যে এটার 1/8 অংশ অর্থাৎ 1/8 ফ্র্যাকশন একটা তোমার কিউবটার মধ্যে থাকছে, বাকিটা অন্য কিউবের মধ্যে থাকবে, তাই তো? তাহলে কিউবিক ইউনিট সেল আর অফ 3 টাইপস, একটা বললাম প্রিমিটিভ কিউবিক and body center, face center, and another is end center. Lattice point 9, corner atom contributes 1/8 of its fully capacity as it is shared by 8 unit cells corner. The body center atom contributes is fully as it not shared by the other unit cell. तो তাহলে বডি সেন্টার কিউবে মোট অর্থাৎ টোটাল আমার দুটো অ্যাটম থাকবে ফ্রম দা 8 কর্নার देयर इज ওয়ান অ্যাটম and from the body center there is another atom. So একটা বডি সেন্টার কিউবের মধ্যে টোটাল নাম্বার অফ অ্যাটম থাকবে দুটো এটা ওকে দিস ইজ দা বডি সেন্টার কিউব দিস ইজ বডি সেন্টার কিউব অর্থাৎ এই 8 কর্নার থেকে একটা অ্যাটম এটার মধ্যে থাকবে আর এই ফুললি যে অ্যাটমটা আছে হলো এটা ফুললি অ্যাটম অর্থাৎ ফুল একটা অ্যাটম এই কিউবটার মধ্যেই আছে বাইরে কারো সঙ্গে আর এটা শেয়ার করেনি ওকে সো দিস ইজ দা body center cube and for face center cube there is a total 4 atom in this cube because from the 8 corner there is only one atom and from the 6 face half that's mean half atom in the cube. So from the 6 face there is a 3 atom and from the 8 corner there is one atom. So total 4 atom for face center cube. So this is the face center cube. Total number of atom will be 4 and coordination number equal to 12. How coordination number is 12? Because there is if there is a point there is a 6 negative and 6 positive atom is there in the directly surrounded by the center atom. This is face center. So this is 12 atom. Okay, surrounded by its. This is count. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This is a 12. And why this is not the coordination number? Because this is not directly attached. This is direct, this is direct, this is direct, this is direct, but it is after these two atoms. So it is not directly attracted by this red one. Okay, so this is the 12 coordination number. So the order of lattice point in BCC, FCC and simple cube is for BCC 2 and FCC is 4 and simple cube is 1. Okay, and order of lattice points, total points is 9 14 and 8. This is the total point and total atom this is 2 4 and 1 in the unit cell. Okay, so particle at corner of cube contributes 1/8. Coordination number in BCC is only 8. In the center, actually this is in the center atom and surrounded by 8 corner. Particle at the face center cube contributes half. The order of Z, this is the number actually. Z, simple cube is 1, body center 2 and FCC is 4. Okay, so simple cubic cell, body center cubic cell and face center cubic cell, and the edge length A of the cube is A, and what is the relation of A with R, that is radius. There is a 2R, this is a 2R, 1 radius plus 1 radius. since it is atom, so there is one radius, there is another radius. So 2 are equal to A. A is the edge length of the simple cube. So A cube equal to 2R cube. Now we can calculate the fraction or volume fraction. Actually, you know, this is a cube, this is the edge length, this is also edge length. Okay, A total edge length, A. So volume of the cube is A cube. But how many atoms is there? How many atoms is there? In the simple cube, there is only one atom. And volume of the one atom is 4/3 pi R cube, where R is the radius of the atom. And total volume is A cube. So fraction occupied by the atom is this. So this is known as packing fraction. Okay. So A here A equal to 2R. So in A, it is, you can write 2R cube. Clear? So packing fraction will be this, and it is multiplied by 100 for the percent fraction. Okay, so R cube is cancelled out, then it's 52.4% or 0.524 fraction. Okay, for simple cube, it is the packing fraction. Simple cube, this is simple cube, A and A. This is the radius, this is 2R. For body center cube, we should consider it as the diagonal. The diagonal of a body center is equal to √3a. D to B, it is A, B to A equal to √2a, and what is this? A to D, √3a. Okay. This is the calculation. So C, that's mean A to D equal to √3a. So within this, there is one radius, there is another radius, there is another radius, there is another radius. So 4 radius is there. Atom. It is full atom is there, and this is the only one radius. There is another radius. Okay. So 4 radius. That's mean 4 are equal to √3a. A to D, there is a 4 radius. This is body center atom. This is from corner. This is from corner. So this is the relation between A and R for body center cube. And in the body center cube, there are only 2 atoms. Whole number of atoms is 2. Now 2 into 4/3 pi R cube divided by A cube. It is the packing fraction, and if we multiply by 100, it is percent fill up by the atom. So this is the 4/3 pi R cube is the value of volume of the cube, or volume of the one atom, and 2 into volume of the one atom divided by A cube. Okay, A cube means volume of the cube. So this is the calculation, and we have that 68% is packed and empty space is 100 minus 68, that is 32%. So B equal to 4R, that's mean root 3A. This is the calculation. And for body center, face center cube, from 8 corner there is a 1 atom, and from 6 face there is a 3 atom. So total 4 atom is there. So packing fraction will be 4 into 4/3 pi r cube divided by A cube. And here relation between A and R equal to what will be the R? Here root 2A will be the phase diagonal. Root 2A is the phase diagonal. This is root 2A is the phase diagonal. Okay. So this is the relation between A and R. So total number of atom is 4 and volume of one atom is 4/3 pi r cube divided by A cube. A cube is the volume of the cube. So this is the fraction. So this is the calculation for packing fraction, and if it is in percentage, then 74% is packed, and empty or void fraction is 0.26, and we can say it is a 26% is void or empty space. So what is the relation between A and R in BCC? That's mean 4R equal to root 3A. Right? 4R equal to root 3A. So option C is the correct. Volume occupied by FCC in percent is FCC. That's mean face center cube is 74%. Yes. For simple cube, R equal to, you know, A equal to 2R. A equal to 2R. Yes. So this is A by 2. R equal to A by 2. Volume occupied in simple cube is, volume occupied by simple cube is 52.4%. Okay. And unoccupied is 47.6%. Niobium is found to crystallize with BCC structure and found to have density of 8.55 gram per centimeter cube. Determine the atomic radius of niobium if its atomic mass is 93. And how we can calculate the density? Density, you know, density mass by volume. Yes, this is the mass by volume. And mass for what? If there is a one atom, then atomic weight divided by Avogadro number. Yes, atomic weight divided by atomic Avogadro number. It will be the mass of one atom if it is atomic weight. Okay. And if there is a Z atom, then Z into M divided by N divided by volume. If volume is a cube, then this is the relation for density. Okay. Density means number of atom into atomic weight divided by Avogadro number. That's mean this is the weight of one atom, then divided by A cube. This is actually mass per volume. Clear? So there is a density 8.55 gram per centimeter cube. Atomic mass 93. So atomic radius. So this is the formula. Okay, this is atomic weight. Hence, we can just put this value, we can just put A is the edge length of the cube. Then we can get the value of A from here. And the value of A is in the unit of Armstrong or centimeter. Okay. Is centimeter. And for an atom crystallizes in FCC, when it is FCC, there is a total 4 number of atoms in a unit cell and its density was there. Okay. Calculate number of atoms present in 1 gram of the crystal. So this is the density. This is A. For FCC, Z is 4. Volume is A cube. So mass by density equal to total volume. If 1 gram is there, density is there, then total volume is 0.1 centimeter cube. Number of unit cell in 1 gram of the metal, total volume divided by volume of 1 unit cell. So this is the fact. Clear? So this is the another problem. This is another problem and solution. And I am sending another videos for crystallography, and in its description there is a question, and you will get the answer from the videos, and you should prepare yourself in this way. Okay. And this is the simple calculation, no problem. Okay, I am sending you. Tata for today. Any problem? Any problem?
Oh, sir.
Okay.